Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the makeover of my utility area, which is also called as a kitchen dry balcony. This is one of the most ignored spaces generally in all our houses. So let's get started. This is my utility area attached to my kitchen. The size of this space is 4.5 by 4.5. This is a small space, but I have lot of things to store in them. I have my washing machine, dish drainer rack, grinder, cleaning tools, dustbins, kitchen supplies, cleaning supplies, etc. Now let's see how to make this space more aesthetically appealing, organized and functional. Step 1. Empty the contents. Step 2. Plan your space. When the space is empty, it is easy to decide which one will go where. Step 3. Clean your space. Do clean your space before you reorganize. Step 4. Try changing the orientation. I'm changing the orientation of my washing machine, hence needed a lengthier drain pipe. Step 5. Use organizers to store things. These are the contents removed from my utility area, and these are my new set of organizers which I have purchased from DMart. Let me show you how I'm going to put this into this and organize. I'm lining each basket using the tissue paper. I'm using a small piece of cardboard to segregate the garlic and the small onions. I'm using two big baskets and segregating them as bath and kitchen supplies and cleaning supplies. Now I'm lining the dustbins. You can also use a liner on the dustbin lid to keep them always neat and clean. Step 5. Labeling. Labeling is a great way to keep your things organized and identify them easily. I'm using chalkboard stickers here. You can use a regular chalk or a white marker pen to write on these. If you're using a chalk, then it is easier to write as many times as you want and erase them. You can also use a command hook in an inverted position on both sides of the dustbin to hold the dustbin cover firmly without slipping inside. Now let's reorganize. Before versus after. The links of similar products have been given in the description box below. I have tried to color coordinate the organizers to bring a symmetrical look. This side is so windy. I wanted to add some kind of greenery here, but keeping real plants is not possible due to wind. Hence, I tried to add some artificial plant. I also reused an old slate of my son. I stuck them using 3M double-sided tape. This organizer I got it from D-Mart, which has hook at the back. So even in case of heavy wind, this wouldn't fall off. So I found this organizer extremely sensible to be kept here. These small baskets all costed 100 rupees each. I already had this plastic tray with me earlier. And the bigger baskets costed 250 each. I have used regular command hooks to hold my broom, mop, and other cleaning tools. Alternatively, you can also use something that is shown. I kept my dustbins here in order to hide the drain pipe of the washing machine. I've segregated them as dry and wet. Finally, I found a dedicated space for my dish draining rack. You can also use a dish drying mat underneath. This piece of furniture I already had in my bedroom. Since the need was more here, I shifted it here. That's my grinder, some extra floor mats, some shopping bags, an extra roll of kitchen towel, some cleaning towels and dustbin liners. They are small, easy to handle, and good to store such vegetables. I've segregated them as bath and kitchen supplies and cleaning supplies. In case you are in a rented apartment, then these kind of hanging shelves will be useful for you to store more things. So, I spent less than 1500 rupees for all this makeover. Hope you liked this video. Please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And do let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more such makeovers. Thank you. Bye bye.